Some days the big fish don't bite, but the bluegill do. I caught a bunch, fried them up, and honestly, it turned out way better than I expected. It's currently 5:56 a.m. I'm tired, but let's go catch some fish. There's still a couple more things I need to get. I appreciate it. Have a good day.
Lo llevo así cargando.
We're in the water. Let's see what we get. All right, so I actually left because my stomach started hurting and I had to use the restroom. Whew, I feel way better now. I had like some meat sweats going on, low-key like some food poisoning maybe. I be eating crazy. I'm back now. I think Martin said there's a couple bites, no fish yet, but we're about to get on.
I just casted it out.
Oh, my bad.
I casted it right to the
Damn. I need something, bro. Some action.
Deep fried carp is really good too, bro.
That's what I kind of want to do today. That's kind of the goal. Okay, okay.
You already got hit. Look.
I already got a bluegill. Alright, first one on the board. I should just take those, huh?
Yeah, you can take them, bro.
Again, it. Let's fish for bluegill.
Let it sit. Let the jig head go all the way to the bottom. And
Do I reel in or no?
just twitch, twitch like that. Oh, there he is, gone.
Do I got, oh,
You
yeah?
got him?
Oh, yeah?
Easy money, fool.
Vente, vente.
And amongst all them, there's always something bigger. So.
Okay. We got some. Got another.
Yeah, it's like 15 bucks.
Okay. Got one. Got some. Got some.
Ooh, is that your first drop shot fish?
Let's go. Catching these bluegill. Might have a catch and cook later.
I'm up now, bro.
Come on now. I told you I need a drop shot. On a shrimp.
Another one?
Got one.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Come on now. All right, caught some fish. It wasn't a catfish or a carp like I wanted to, but we still caught something. We caught quite a bit of bluegills. Honestly, it's the most bluegills I've ever caught in a session, so that's pretty cool. I was catching them on a drop shot rig. I use worms, I use shrimp. I was just practicing my drop shot, I guess. I feel like I'm better now. I'm preparing for trout season, so happy I got some fish. Time to go cook it. French fries. All right, got the bluegill. Now it's time to cut it up, gut it, and I don't know, just to do my thing. Babe, you're in it.
Yeah, I'm in it.
Yeah.
So let's see the guts.
It's like a trout.
Those are big scales.
So
The carp
you take
ones?
those
I
off?
took those off.
Oh.
So I'm gutting them, all nice and gutted. Scaled them, and then I score them. Looking good. All right, I'm gonna finish these up, and then I'll get back to y'all. Oh!
Babe.
Be careful with bluegill. This guy did it. All right, here are all the bluegill I caught today. What was it, like 14 of them? 14 total, gutted, scaled, and scored. Now it's time to fry them up. God damn. Taking it to the fryer. It's just straight hot oil, huh? Put in the oil. Fish are in the oil. They're frying up. Now we wait. I'm excited. People say that bluegill is really good. I've never tried it. We will see. All right, I think they're ready. Sheesh. You hear it sizzling.
Su limoncito, su pico de gallito al lado, su salsita enchilosa. Y a comer se ha dicho. Oh God.
Yeah.
Sí, lo recogí.
Lemon.
It's good.
All right, got a little piece. That's so good. Got another piece. Fried with lemon salsa.
Y pico
So,
de gallo.
pico de gallo. So bomb. I can approve. Is good. Like, I'm gonna eat more of this. Each fish is like 2 bites, but honestly, they're worth it.